what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back here. Back at it again with the S2K. So what I'm doing today is I'm gonna try something out that I saw on Instagram. I'm gonna try to replicate it. Hopefully it goes through. If not, it could be a big bust, but we'll see how it goes. It has to do with the cluster. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. I'm gonna remove this, and then I'm gonna try and go ahead and customize this cluster to how I want it, and let's see how that goes. So let's go ahead and take this off and then let's check it out. Alright, so I opened up the whole cluster. I got the little plate out. Now I gotta make something of my own, and then print this stuff out too as well. Sorry. Print this stuff out or do something, but I'm gonna figure it out right now. So we'll see how this goes. This is as far as I've gone. This is gonna be a process, not a whole day thing. I'm gonna figure out what I could do with this. I feel like that's not like color enough, so I have to figure that out, but we'll see. Alright you guys, so last time I left off with the cluster, let me see. Last time I left off with the cluster, I don't know, not exactly sure where I left off, but I did do a whole bunch of trial and errors with trying to figure out the size of this, and then I basically made a template for the thing, and then I messed it up. So I had to make a new one, and this is basically almost like the official. Still need a couple things here and there, but overall this is gonna be the I do gotta kind of censor this out. I will have it on my story if you want to see it, but I had to censor that out. But we got some lewd, let this focus, some lewd anime, and then we got the Higo anime. Gotta censor it out, can't really show it. If you want to see more, you can check it out on my Instagram. But other than that, I got lights back here, LEDs, pink LEDs back here. This is the template that I made. This is a sticker. This is a sticker as well. I just gotta put it on. Other than that, I mean, I gotta get the bars for the gas, and then the temperature. We gotta get those on there, and then after that, it should be done. I'm also gonna go ahead and paint the cluster or whatnot, to paint it black instead of that grayish ugly color that it is. Alright guys, so I finished it up. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it all back in the car so you can see how the final product looks. There's the baby girl. She's right here chilling. Alright, so let's go ahead and put all of this back in. Well, not all of it, but I mean, for the most part. Let's put this bad boy right here. This one goes right here. This one goes right. Ooh, what? I got a little tight. It goes right there. That one goes right there, and this one goes in here. Okay, so now let's start her up real quick. Boom, look at that. Oh shit. Damn, would you look at that. Look at that right there, right there. It's pretty dope, not gonna lie. And then you got the that's pretty cool. It's pretty dope, pretty dope. I like it. I am probably gonna make these custom made, not exactly like this. You can hit me up on my Instagram and I'll make something like this for you. It'll include it'll include everything you need to just get this and ready to go. But this is pretty dope, and it'll light up even more once these go on. I would want to turn it on, but let's see if, okay, let's see if we can turn it on. You know what? Oh wait, I can't because I don't have the button. Never mind. So scratch that. But yes, I will make these custom made. I am making another one right here with My Hero Academia. But yeah, this is pretty dope. I like this. I will be making this, and I'll probably making them custom for people. If you want one, DM me on my Instagram. If not, I'm gonna be selling this on eBay or Etsy or somewhere like that. It's dope. So here it is, finished in the flesh. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's me painting it with a rattle can. I do want to get, I'm gonna get something different for these, because these buttons have become useless, and except for these, I mean. But these buttons have become useless and I don't use them at all. So there's no point in me really having them, because I don't control the audio. I am gonna put one of my gauges there, but these gonna stay, but I want to make this black at least. But I'm not gonna put it in because I actually already have it off, and so I'm just gonna fuck around with this so I can put in my gauge. So I don't want to put it in because then it's gonna be a waste of time putting it in and then taking it out, and then it's dumb. So that's pointless. Let me ask the vlog.
07 Subaru motor, 30,000 miles on it.
Does it really?
Yeah, I just bought this motor. I thought the motor's so clean. I put it in this car.
Would you trade me? Like, on honesty, like, not even fucking around.
Straight trade?
Straight trade. Yeah.
Ruckus for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so tempted. But as is, right? Like how you have it?
No, you can have the lifted rims too.
I don't know. What should I do? What should I? Sounds like, it doesn't sound like a too bad of an offer. Like, we're getting it cleaned up for delivery. I'm gonna be taking right now, so they're cleaning it up for me so I can take it for delivery. It's pretty dope. I don't know, should I join the Subi gang?
Not too bad, right? Up on one side.
Damn, yeah. Alright people, that's it for that video right there, wrapping it up. So like I said, I didn't want to install it back in because I'm going to be adding the gauge to the cluster thingy majigger housing. And so instead of putting it back in and pulling it back out, it's going to be a big hassle. So I'm leaving it off. But as you guys saw, the dash, the cluster, it looks really cool, it looks really dope. It's I will be making those custom, but you know, people just DM me, let me know what you want, try to make it work and whatnot. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification, and then also hit up our shop online for 10% off, or do Meister for 10% off on our shop online. And check out any Amazon links down below for any products that have used in the past or in this video. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Say bye, Frankie.